When we see equations like 3 power x equals 125 and 5 power y equals 81, the natural method that comes to our mind is logarithms. And yes, we are going to solve it using logarithms first. But wait, there is also another method, and it is actually the fastest way to solve this problem. So stay till the end, because I will show you that smart trick as well. Now take log base 3 and both sides. Now apply the log rule. Log of a power x base b is equal to x log of a base b. So now here becomes x log of 3 base 3 is equal to log of 125 base 3. So here log of 3 base 3 is 1, so we get as x is equal to log of 125 base 3. Now let's do for second equation. Apply log base 5 on both sides. So by using log rule we can write it as y log of 5 base 5 is equal to log of 81 base 5. So here log of 5 base 5 is 1, so y is equal to log of 81 base 5. So now multiply the x and y equations. Now we get as xy is equal to log of 125 base 3 times log of 81 base 5. 125 we can write it as 5 cube, and 81 we can write it as 3 power 4. Now bring the powers down here. Then we get as xy is equal to 3 into 4 into log of 5 base 3 into log of 3 base 5. So now apply the log rule. Log of a base b is equal to log a by log b. So now we get as xy is equal to 3 into 4 into log 5 by log 3 into log 3 by log 5. In this we can write it as xy is equal to 12 into log 5 base 10 by log of 3 base 10 into log of 3 base 10 by log of 5 base 10. Log of 5 base 10 and log of 5 base 10 will be cancelled out, and the log of 3 base 10 and log of 3 base 10 will be cancelled out. And xy is equal to 12. This method works very well, but there is another method which is the faster method without writing logs. Here 125 we can write it as 5 cube, and 81 we can write it as 3 power 4. Raise both sides with this expression with y. So this is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So this we can write it as 3 power xy is equal to 5 power y whole power 3. Here 5 power y is equal to 3 power 4. So 3 power xy is equal to 3 power 12. So xy is equal to 12. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting problems.